Look at what did I say in my morning analysis. Watch out for 1745 levels for gold, and precisely it has achieved and reversed. Likewise, if you look at Dow Jones and Nasdaq, did not I tell you that Nasdaq has a good support and very strong support at 12,800, and we will look forward to it. Likewise, yes, we were expecting a little bit lower on US 30, however it reversed from 30 to 900. Now what is going to happen with the US cash session? This position you should take in gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. And if you are missing on to subscribe the channel, definitely you are missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and in the end Dow Jones. Let's start the day. Look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, gold is precisely trading in this channel. It did try to give you a breakout, but right now trading with this within this channel. Today morning I did tell you that you can go short at 1733, 34 levels, and see it failed to break past this zone since long. Yes, again if you see it trading below 1733, you can go short and then expect it to drop till towards 1730, 1724 levels, and then 1780 levels will come into picture. On the upside, you have to be always cautious till towards 1744-45 zone. This is a very strong resistance zone at 1745. Directional movement is not indicative of anything. Stochastic is comfortable. MACD is bullish so far, and it is willing to converge again, crossover for a sell entry. RSI is comfortable. So see, it has cooled down the indicators with just a little upward move, and those indicators which are oversold till now are again trying to trade bullish. Look at the 2-hour charts. Trying to trade in this channel, failing to go past on the downside 1733 levels. Yes, if you see it trading below 1733, go short again. On the upside, you have to be watchful of 1740 to 1745 levels. And if you look at the directional movement, it is moderately bearish. Stochastic comfortable. MACD is bullish. RSI is comfortable. Likewise, if you see on the 3-hour charts, again on the 3-hour chart, see, even if you look at this, see, this was the zone. After this, the drop has come, a minor retracement, then a vertical drop, and then it has dropped. Now it is trying to stabilize again. So if you look at the channel out there, it is precisely trading in this channel here. The highs of the channel, if you look at, almost at around 1750 levels. So that should be the high which you should look forward to. If it breaks past 1748.50 zone, then only consider that as a bullish, else it may try to reverse again. Directional movement is bearish, willing to converge. Stochastic is at top now, looking downwards. MACD has seen a high here, and it is trading with bullishness there. RSI is comfortable. It is seen an upward move. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, see, it is trying to trade in this channel. And yes, once you see it dropping below 1733, again go short. See, this is the stabilization zone, and a breakout will lead to again a good fall. Just be cautious of this zone at 1745 and then 1748.50. If it breaks past 1750, then only we can consider that it is moderately bullish. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has just crossed over on the 4-hour chart. This is a bullish cross. Let's be cautious of this. RSI is also entering into it is coming out of the oversold zones now. And look at this. It is trying to trade in this channel. The high is definitely around 1745, should be a very good strong resistance. With the stop loss at 1733, yes, you can stay long, but then be cautious till towards 1740.42 and 1744.45 levels. I am again reiterating it. Beyond 1745, then 1748.50 zone will come into picture. Till the time it trades below 1750, you have to be very cautious. In fact, 1755.60 levels should be a good reversal level. So yes, till the time it trades below these levels, it can reverse and drop again any point of time. Just be cautious with the levels out there. Yes, it can rise till there. Today with the stop loss at 1733, you can try to initiate a long entry, but then you have to be cautious of 1740.42 and 1745, then 1748.50 levels. On the downside, once you see it trading below 1733, go short and then expect it to drop till towards 1727, 24 and 1718 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD has just crossed over. And look at the daily charts now. See, 1 point after this little stabilization candle, one red candle. Look at the previous candle. It has left a tail out there. And this is the first red candle. Hence, a second red candle can appear. It has already formed a wick out there. And see, It has already formed a wick, and now if you see it dropping below 1733, go short, and then you can expect a good drop. Then we may see it dropping for 1724, 1718 levels, which is going to be a good support. So go short at 1733, expect it to drop. Else on the upside, you have to be cautious till towards 1745, 50 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold, trying to cross over for a bullish move. MACD is in red. It has just crossed over 4-5 days back, and it is continuing to trade bearish. RSI is near to bottom. Considering this, only long entry I will recommend is beyond 1740 levels. Beyond 1740, rather I say 1742. Beyond 1742, expect 1745 levels to provide a resistance. First target, then 1748.50 zone should be a very strong resistance. Beyond that, it will fly. Till the time it is below 1755, 1760, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss, so that in case of a reversal, you should close in profit. At the same time, if you see it trading below 1733, go short, and below 1733 you can expect a good drop. First target should be 1727, 24 levels, and then in fact it can drop till towards 1718. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at Nasdaq 100, and yes, join my mentorship batch. Definitely it will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, or else you can be part of my signals group, or else just support my effort by becoming a pattern. It is hardly the contribution is anything, so just support the channel becoming a pattern. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Look at Nasdaq 100's move. A drop, a rise, almost flat top there, and now if it breaks past 12,950 levels here, yes, you can go long for 13,000, and then 13,050 levels. These levels you should watch out for. Beyond 13,050, yes, you can expect further more bullishness, which will take it till towards 13,130 levels, and then this zone will come into picture, that is 13,130, which is going to be definitely a very strong resistance today. And if it breaks past 13,200, that is should be considered a bullish reversal. I don't think so, but these are markets. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought on the early charts. Now looking downwards, MACD is bullish. RSI is comfortable with just a little upward movement. See, most of the indicators have come down to comfortable zone. And look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise, it has formed a symmetry. It has completed this journey. Only if it breaks past 12,950, yes, you can go long for 13,000. Definitely a very strong resistance. Then 13,050, 13,130 levels should come into picture. Very strong resistance at 13,130. Beyond that, it will try to hit 13,200. I don't think so that it is going to happen, but these are markets beyond you and me, so stay long. If you see it trading above 13,950, stay long. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is entering into overbought levels. MACD on the 2-hour charts has just crossed over. This is a bullish crossover. Let's see if it sustains. RSI is coming to comfortable levels again. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, after a series of red candles, it is trying to stabilize. It has formed a reversal candle here. Let's be cautious. It has formed a reversal candle here. Only short entry is it if you see it trading below 12,880 levels. Below 12,880, go short again, and above 12,950, go long for 13,000, 13,040, 13,050, and 13,130 levels. Very strong resistance there. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is again looking upwards. MACD is looking forward to a bullish crossover. Right now it is in sell side. RSI, which is extremely oversold, trying to come out of it, and hence you can expect a little bullish candle. And if you see the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts, and if you see it is still, see, it is giving you lower highs and it is giving you lower lows, trying to trade in this channel. That is why I said beyond 12,950, yes, you can initiate a long entry for 13,000, definitely a very strong resistance, and beyond that it will fly. Yes, the stop loss should be 12,880. Below 12,880, you can again expect it to come back till towards 12,840, and then 12,800 levels should come into picture. I think it may trade a little bit sideways and give you good swings rather, and end in a positive net possibly. Direction movement is bearish. Stochastic coming out of the oversold zone. MACD is bearish, trying to cross over for a bullish move. RSI is oversold, trying to bounce back. Look at the daily. On the daily charts, I have told you multiple times, and I have told you in my weekly analysis also, watch out for 12,800. It may complete its journey till towards 12,800. Precisely, it has achieved these levels, trying to bounce back. Once you see it trading beyond 12,950, go long for 13,000, 13,040, and then 13,130 levels. Very strong resistance at 13,130. If it breaks past, definitely we can see a further bullish move towards 13,200 and 13,250 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD white divergent and bearish, and RSI comfortable there. Considering this, go long at 12,950 and go short at 12,880. Below 12,880, you have to be very cautious till towards 12,800 levels. First target below 12,880 is 12,840, 845 levels, and below 12,840, 845, it will try to attempt and achieve 12,800 levels. Be watchful and cautious of 12,800. It can bounce back from those levels. On the upside, go long at 12,950 levels. Beyond 12,950, the target is 13,000, 13,040 and 13,130. If it breaks past 13,130, definitely you can expect a stronger bullish move which might take it till towards 13,200 and 250 levels. Beyond that, it will fly again on the upside. Be cautious, be aware in between 13,200 and 12,800. You have to trade with caution out there. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See the chart formation on US30 is likewise almost the same. I have told you 33,150 earlier in the day today, and likewise it has got the resistance there. Now trying to trade with that as resistance. It is trying to reverse again. Yes, if you see it trading or dropping below 33,050, you can go short again. Then expect 33,000, which is going to be a very good support, and below that you can again expect 32,900, and then my target towards 32,800, 700 zone will come into picture, which is a very good support. Above 33, if you see it trading beyond 33,150, again go long, expect it to hit 33,250 and then 33,300 levels. Very strong resistance lies there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic overbought, trying to look downwards. MACD is bullish, RSI is comfortable on the early charts. Look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, it is trying to trade with this. Probably once you see it dropping below 33,050, 040 level, go short again, and then you can again expect it to drop till towards 32,950, 32,900, and below that we may see a very good fall. On the upside, be watchful of 33,250 levels. Very strong resistance lies there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is giving you a bullish crossover and it is trying to fly again. RSI is comfortable. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, likewise if you see on the 3-hour charts, it is trying to take a support out there precisely at this zone. That is why I say go short at 33,050. Below that you can again expect it to drop, and see it is giving you higher highs, means it is trying to trade upwards, and then you have to look out for 33,150 now. Beyond that you can expect 33,200, 250 levels, and then beyond that we may see it flying for 33,300 and 400 levels. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI trading oversold. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, trying to create a symmetry. Be watchful of this zone and see if you see it trading beyond 33,150, go long, then 33,200, 250. Very strong resistance till 33,250 levels. Beyond that we may see it flying for 33,300 and 400 levels. Next resistance zone is towards 33,500, which it should not break. If it breaks it, that should be a bullish cross. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is looking upwards again. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is oversold, trying to come out of the oversold levels. On the daily charts, remember, see one red candle. First let's start from here, and after this it has given a breakout, one red candle, a step, then a second red candle, a bigger body size, and see after this is the first red candle you can count, and probably achieving today 33,250 levels, it can again drop, so you have to be very cautious till there. Yes, if you see it dropping below 33,050, definitely you can go short, and once it drops below 32, see this zone is very important at 32,800 levels. We may see it achieving this. If it continues to trade below 32,950, 900 levels, definitely we can expect a good drop till towards 32,800 and 700 levels. Very strong support lies there. And if you look at the directional movement, this is bullish, willing to converge, crossover. Stochastic is oversold. MACD has just crossed over. It is divergent and it is bearish. RSI is comfortable. Considering this, go short at 33,050. Expect it to drop for 32,950, 900 and 32,800 levels. Go long at 33,150. Expect for 33,200 and 250 levels. 250 should be a very strong resistance. Once it breaks past 33,250, you can expect a extreme bullish move, which may take it till towards 33,320 and 33,400 levels. Then 33,500 should come into picture. Consider this is reversal if it breaks past 33,500 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Between 33,050, 33,150, trade with caution. Plus minus 5-10 points, you have to leave a cushion. You have to see how sharp is the move, how sharp is the direction, and take your position accordingly. Till then, trade with the stop loss in between 32,900 and 33,200. You have to trade with the stop loss and trail your stop loss. So rather I say 33,250 and 32,900 levels, you have to trail the stop loss if you are short or if you are long, either which way. So take your positions accordingly. Breaking out either side will give you a good strong move. Just take your positions accordingly. Trade accordingly, trade safely, trade with a stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.